Best Google Pixel 9 wireless chargers under $79. Google Pixel 9 is an exceptional lineup consisting of great features and deeply integrated with Gemini AI that helps in brainstorming and gives ideas. Creating a Nobel kind of era is only possible through the cutting-edge system that Google has launched after 6 months of constant efforts. Everything is perfectly fine, from images to chats, but the one thing that's remained similar over the years is wireless charging. Pixel 9 supports 15-watt wireless charging, similar to its predecessor, but the speed can only be achieved with Google's Pixel Stand wireless charger. It's only specified to the 12-watt threshold with any charger. Here are a few best recommended Pixel 9 wireless chargers for all budgets. SpyGen Arc-Field Fast Wireless Charger. This is positioned over the top, consisting of an impressive design offering a 15-watt threshold that provides fast charging. It will be the perfect choice for you if you're looking for a budget-oriented charger. So, while you don't receive QI2 support, users would certainly receive a great value out of any charger for your phone. Save $15 on Amazon and get it now for just $20 instead of $35. Google Pixel Stand 2nd Gen. The 2nd Gen Google Pixel Stand is for those willing to splurge. It's an exceptional wireless charger which possesses the ability to charge your Pixel 9 at its highest 15-watt speed. Moreover, it supports several other innovative features such as the Nest Hub interface, photo gallery, and more, available for just $79 from Best Buy and Google Store. Anker 313 Wireless Charging Stand. This is only capable of offering a 10-watt threshold, which is a great solution for you to rest your Pixel 9 in portrait mode. It efficiently works with cases up to 5mm thick. Snag it for $16 instead of $20 from Amazon.